Hello students, welcome back to your study group Vipin Sir classes. So today we will discuss a new topic, that is describing words or adjectives. So let's get started. Firstly we will see the objectives of this topic. First, children will be aware of all parts of speech, and then they will be able to describe the noun. So first picture you can see a strawberry. This is a strawberry, or we can say a sweet strawberry. A sweet strawberry. What word we have used? Sweet. What is sweet? What is sweet? Sweet is a describing word. Sweet is a describing word. Second picture you can see a boy, or we can say a happy boy. So here happy is a describing word. Happy is a describing word. Next you can see a rose, a red rose. So here red is a describing word or adjective which we can use before the noun. Red is a describing word. A sunny day. So here sunny is a describing word. Sunny is a describing word. Sunny is describing the day. A fat elephant. A fat elephant. So here fat is a describing word. Fat is a describing word because it is describing the elephant. Next picture is a big tiger or a small tiger. So here big and small are the describing word that are describing the tiger. A word that describes or tells something about the noun in a sentence is called a describing word. A word that describes or tells something about the noun in a sentence is called a describing word. This is a definition. So let's see a short evaluation part. We will see a peacock. A peacock. You can see a fill in the blanks over here. A word colorful. It is a describing word. A colorful peacock, or we can say a beautiful peacock. So here colorful and beautiful is describing the peacock. A next picture is ice cream. Ice cream. So we can use a sweet ice cream. So here sweet is a describing word, or we can say a cold ice cream. So cold is also a describing word. Next is a building. A tall building we can say. So here tall is a describing word. A tree. We can use any describing word. A green tree. So here green is a describing word or adjective. A tall tree we can say. A tall tree. Tall is also a describing word. A big tree. Big is also a describing word. Next is a beak. A beak. Or we can say a sharp beak. So here also sharp is a describing word. Next is an man. An man. An old man we can say. An old man. Next is a day. A day. This is a rainy day. This is a rainy day. Milk. Hot milk we can say. So here hot is describing word. Sunflowers. Here you can see two sunflowers. Two sunflowers. So two is a describing word over here. Or we can say yellow sunflowers. So yellow is also the describing word. Next is a snake. A long snake. A long snake. Baby. A baby. A smiling baby. So here smiling or a little baby you can say. Both are the describing word. A happy baby. Next is a butterfly. An orange butterfly. An orange butterfly. Or we can say a lovely butterfly. Both are describing the butterflies. Birds are flying. How many birds are flying? 4 birds are flying. 4 birds are flying. This is also describing the word. A bird. There are 2 birds. A happy bird and sad bird. Both are adjectives. Hope you have given the correct answer. Now look at the picture and say few sentences. This is the picture, you can see. Look it carefully and make some few sentences using some describing word. Look it carefully. Now this is the picture of giraffe. Giraffe has 4 long legs. Giraffe has long legs. It is a wild animal. It has a long neck. It is brown in color. So the word long, wide, long and brown, these all are the describing words. The next picture you can see over here. Look it carefully and make some sentences using the adjectives. Look it carefully. So here are, there is green grass. There is a big tree. They are sitting on a red mat. 4 people are sitting. The sky is blue. So you can see over here green, big, red, 4 and blue. These all are describing the picture. These all are adjectives. These all are describing words. Now next picture. This is, you can see next picture. Look it carefully and make some sentences. A dog is sitting on a colorful mat. Dog is brown in color. Dog is wearing a red cap. Dog has long tail. Dog has 4 legs. So the words colorful, brown, red, long and 4. These all are describing the picture. So hope you have given the correct answer. If you have any query, you can comment. Thanks for watching. Stay continue with us.